Welcome to Wizard.com. I am Maths teacher Anita and this is our question. Two coins are tossed simultaneously 600 times and it is found that two tails appeared 300 times, one tail appeared 180 times and no tails appeared 120 times. So if two coins are tossed at random, then what is the probability of getting two tails? We have to find out. So it is given that total number of times the coin was tossed is equal to 600. And out of this, the number of times two tails appeared is 300 and one tail appeared is given as 180, and if no tails appeared, that number is given as 120. So from here we can say that the number of times coin tossed and two tails appeared, that case is 300. So we have to find here the probability of getting two tails. So with the given data we can say that the required probability will be equal to, the favorable case here is number of times of getting two tails divided by the total number of times coin tossed. So both data is given in the question. Let us substitute that value, which is equal to number of times of getting two tails is 300 and total number of times coin tossed is 600. So this ratio 300 by 600 is equal to 0.5. Therefore we can say that the required probability is 0.5.